First lock. Be careful up there.
Hello friends, you're almost at the drop point I've selected, so if you would emerge and, as you say, get the party started. Out of there, come on!
We gotta get out of here. Let's go.
The switch there will open the cargo doors. Good. Ah, fresh air. Now, the pallets are secured to the deck by mechanical fasteners. These fasteners are controlled by the logistics officer, and his controls are, up there. And the exit to the upper deck is at the front of the plane. He bombed our school. Good riddance. Drifting down exactly where I wanted to. Like $1 million snowflake. Oh, and grab the parachutes.
Geronimo!
You're all down, yes? No broken ankles? Good. Now find the first money pallet. They're there somewhere. Find them and light a flare. I'm flying in. Don't shoot if you see a big fucking helicopter flying at you. Right? It looks like one of the pallets landed on the roof of the diner. Imagine all that money falling in your eggs and grits, eh? For sure.
Got one.
The roof of that diner can be accessed by a service ladder, but you're going to need a keycard to get to it. Surely there's one around here somewhere.
We got one.
The flare is burning nicely. Here I come. If I may crave another boon, would you mind attaching the pallet to the helicopter when I'm in position? I'm here and in position. Please, when the opportunity allows, take the straps and attach them to that wonderful stack of money. Come on, you keks! Strap the money to the chopper so I can take it away!
Taken care of. Stay there!
Straps are nicely fastened. Don't want lock dropping the loot too early now.
over there!
You're doing good, my friends. But that's just the first. Find the second pallet.
Let's blow some shit up!
Ah, fuck me with a fire stick. Fucking pallet broke, and we've got fucking bundles of cash scattered around like an old horse knickers. Find them and bag them.
Go faster! Coming! Ethan, Alyssa! Tango, tango!
That should make things easier. Say, why don't one of you guys light a flare for me too? Don't shoot down the big helicopter that's coming in for the money, okay? That's me. Yeah, for sure.
Hey, they're gonna bring in the big guns if you kill civilians.
Hey! We're in deep!
Oh, yes, I see it. I'm coming in. Be ready to attach the pallets to the helicopter. And do it quickly if that's possible. Things are hot.
Bulldozer eliminated! They're eliminated!
Dear hearts, you see me? Yes, I'm here, for sure. I hate to be a bother, but would you mind strapping that lovely money to my helicopter? There's 2 pallets found. Now the 3rd. Come on, beautiful friends. Keep looking.
Over there!
Okay, well, you know where it is, but I don't fucking know. Light the flare, yeah?
Shield instantly!
The flare is burning nicely. Here I come. If I may crave another boon, would you mind attaching the pallet to the helicopter when I'm in position?
Brace yourselves.
Easy! Bulldozer! Look out, bulldozer!
I'll take care of this one myself.
Bulldozer down! Oh shit! Shield!
Ah, cack! Those Poes are bringing in more SWAT turrets, with the express purpose of bringing me down. Alright, I can't pick you up in town, but I'm prepared for this. I left a case of thermal paste for you down there. Make sure you grab it.
We're on the right track! We're in deep!
And another crate, same as I'm aboard. Well fucking done, my friends. Yet another successful collaboration. You have my thanks, my admiration, and most importantly, your share of the money.